Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
Looking at air temperatures that are already very warm outside, coming in at 83 degrees with a dew point now solidly in the 60s. Starting to feel just a little bit like summertime out there. Not quite yet. We don't have dew points in the 70s, but we're getting there with dew points in the mid-60s as opposed to the 50s where we were earlier on this week and certainly over the weekend when it was so delightful. South-southwest wind now at about 7, starting to curve around in response to a little daytime heating, catching a bit of a sea breeze action. We'll start to see more clouds build in inland areas as we progress through the afternoon, and perhaps one or two of them will give a shower or two. 86 degrees, Wauchula, Arcadia, Mayaca City, closer to the coast, tad bit cooler with that onshore breeze. 85 degrees in Northport, 83 in Punta Gorda, 81 in Inglewood, 82 in Venice, 84 Lakewood Ranch, 85 in Parrish, and 85 in Bradenton. We still catch the benefits of a slightly cooler Gulf water with the sea breeze forming at this time of year. It's not like we're going to see as we head into the summertime. You know, when you get into August, you really don't get a tremendous benefit from the sea breeze. It's more the cooling rains that tend to cool things off as the water temperatures start to climb. Right now, though, it does make the coastline feel a bit more comfortable. We had some showers earlier on out in Gulf waters during the overnight, even a pop of lightning to the north. Those showers in response to a kind of a decaying frontal boundary that's really not going to bring us any rainfall, but it did produce a little bit of cloud cover across the region and still is. Cloud cover kind of streamed on past from time to time, some of it a little thicker than it was 24 hours ago. The cloud cover a little bit lower as well at times. We have some holes in the clouds, though, and those holes will, of course, aid in allowing the sun to shine, the insolation to occur, and the daytime high temperatures to get kind of steamy around here in the afternoon. Still, all in all, we're very thankful for our weather here in the state of Florida. It is all hands on deck for some of the meteorologists back to the west again today, as there will undoubtedly be more tornadoes and heavy rains and gusty winds, large hail, all that sort of thing in Texas and Oklahoma, particularly later on this afternoon. High pressure for rough continues to drag those winds out of the southeast on the underbelly of that high sitting off the Atlantic coast. That will bring the moisture our way continually over the next several days and increase the kind of sticky feels-like temperatures in the afternoon. That southeast wind will collide with our local southwest wind that we're starting to develop now in the area of a sea breeze along the coast, and that's where we'll start to see the kind of collision of those two winds produce the clouds, maybe an isolated shower or two. Typical summertime stuff, really. If it were next month, we'd have a whole lot more moisture around, a little warmer temperatures, and a lot more rain showers produced by this very same mechanism. So back to the west, this low pressure area feeding on this warm tropical air lifting northward. A frontal boundary, a little bit of a dry line, upper level support in the form of an active jet stream, all coming together to produce the potential for that severe weather once again today. If you're traveling to the Texas or Oklahoma area, there could be some airport delays because of severe weather. Sun cloud mix, warm afternoon, isolated inland showers. Those are the weather highlights that carry you through the next couple of days, I think. Watch for that easterly wind shifting to the southwest each and every day for the next several days. Coming in today at about 10 knots is nice. It'll give you a light chop with 2-foot seas, a good boating day. Over the course of the week ahead, it's nice. We stay in temperatures that are in the mid-80s, nighttime lows near 70, and only the slightest chance of a Saturday shower. Back to you, Scott.